Hey guys, crypto episode 61. Another good week, up 18,000. It's been fairly sort of broad across the altcoins, small gain for Bitcoin. But quick look at the news. So Bloomberg's senior commodity strategist says Bitcoin is going to be a global reserve asset. Interesting. So they're calling for 100k. I don't think he's given a time period, but I do agree with the 100k. Maybe I'm a little bit sort of more bullish that it'll happen sooner than him, but $5,000 Ether as well. He says this is the path of least resistance after surviving a 50% correction, and that portfolios lacking either are naked. Interesting term. But yeah, sort of combination of gold and bonds as part of sort of hedging your risk are naked without some Bitcoin and Ethereum to add to them. So yeah, interesting article, and a big figure sort of endorsing the space. So thought that was interesting. And Twitter potentially getting into tipping in cryptocurrency, sort of a tip jar type function really. Not sure sort of whether they'll use Lightning Network or something like that. I mean, you're not going to sort of tip someone a couple of pound and spend £10 on a fee to send it, so it's not going to be just ordinary transactions on chain, presumably. Whether they'll sort of centralize it and group loads of transactions together and, you know, put one on the blockchain, not really sure. Haven't sort of, well, I guess they haven't really expanded on exactly how they're going to use it. They're saying they may use Strike to generate Lightning invoices, but sort of seen other speculation that they're going to be doing sort of a different method. So yeah, until it's confirmed, I think we'll wait and see what they do. But yeah, so looking at the portfolio, so Bitcoin's slightly up 2.3%. This is sort of almost exactly on $50,000. So this is the battle for $50,000. It's all been up and down past that for the last sort of 2 or 3 days now. Weekend is normally a bit quiet these days, or sort of sometimes choppy moves up and down, but yeah, normally when the institutions get back in during the week, then that's when you see some real moves. So the rest of the altcoins, Cardano 1.4%, so that had been doing well during the week, but that's all quieting down just a little. Given time to Ethereum to come back, 20% up on the week, so that's doing really well. Still Cardano's second spot though. Litecoin 20% up, so that's really good. OMG 12% up, it's pretty good. Didn't really have much of a drop during the week, so doing its own thing. XRP 9% up, which is good. XLM basically mirroring it. Very interesting. They do seem to be almost moving as one at the moment, Stellar and Ripple. TRON 15%, pretty good. This hasn't sort of moved quite as I'd hoped in the past, so yeah, good to see that have a reasonable week. Basic attention token 14% as well. EOS been another slow mover, but 9.5%. Power Ledger 40%. Yeah, that's been a real good one during the week. Again, sort of doesn't seem to move quite with everything else, but good to have. Dash 5%, not bad. Internet computers going quite well. Nearly 25% up on the week. Very good. So, I mean, I bought this sort of 6 weeks ago for £750. That's now £1,900. So very, very nice. Haven't really thought about sell targets for that just yet. Band 16% up, so some of the small caps doing pretty well. New Cipher 10, Anchor 11, Quant 23, not bad. And Cocos lagging a little bit behind, 3%. And as always, it then says I've lost everything. So there we go, 321. See where we go from here. So yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and like and subscribe to see more. See you soon.